Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Just wanted to show you one little tip on mailing. Make sure to wrap everything in paper towel, rubber band it, tape it, bubble wrap even better, rubber band it, tape it so it can't come apart, or those blade boxes that everyone's seen, those cardboard blade boxes, rubber band it or tape it so it can't open up because those blades will bounce all around. The mailmen are not, they're throwing these packages around, so just think of that. If you can't toss this, if you don't feel comfortable tossing your package onto the floor, it's not good. So I'm going to show you one example of a package I get in today. I've seen this happen a lot, so that's why I'm going to make this video. So hope this helps somebody. So when you buy a Bravera or a wall clipper, it comes in this case pretty much. A lot of groomers like to put their stuff in this case. They're nice, but not like this through the mail. Nothing, everything was bouncing around each other. Very lucky none of these teeth are broken. The scissors probably need a lot of work now. But what did break was one of the 5-in-1s. You can see the piece right here goes on the side there. So now this thing needs extra parts. It costs more money when it could have just taken an extra 2 minutes. I mean, there's 4 things here. Lay them across so they're not touching and roll them up in bubble wrap. Same with your scissors. I wouldn't roll your blades and scissors together. And just make sure there's no, you can't hear anything clanging around, you know. If you can hear it clanging around, shaking around, if you can hear it bouncing around in there and hitting each other, it's not good. Make sure you can shake that box and it sounds pretty much quiet. Now sometimes the blade boxes, you'll hear the blades bouncing around back and forth, but that's not metal on metal, it's metal on cardboard, and there's air in there, there's space, there should be little foam things on the top of the lid. So I see some of them, they don't come with that foam, so if it doesn't, just find something, roll up a paper towel and stick it up there so the blades can't be bouncing up and down and breaking, because mailing's great, you get your tools sharpened, but if it's not packaged properly, you end up spending more and breaking tools. So just be very, I don't know the right word, but pack your stuff up tightly so it can't rattle around to avoid breakage. And even if it's in a pad, that was gross. Even if it's in a padded bag like this, it's not good. She might have even had the stuff in these pockets, but like I said, the mail bounces around and stuff breaks. So just wanted to show that to you. And to all those groomers that feel bad about sending in nasty stuff, don't. We get it all the time. So we'll clean this up, make it look new again. All right, have a good one.